Hello and welcome to our DoxTips. So this tip that I'm going to show you today is related to filters. Filters are something that's been around for quite a while, but most people are not aware of their existence or for some reason seem to be intimidated with them. But you shouldn't be. They're going to be very helpful to you and they're available to everybody. What they allow you to do is to have a broad search and then quickly narrow down from a large or medium-sized number of files that are returned, filter down to just a few files, the ones that you're looking for. So we're going to show you how to do that, and we definitely strongly recommend that you start using this today and get familiar with it. It's going to really pay dividends for you. So here we go, and we'll do a quick demo. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find some documents. So we're going to use direct access, and I will pick from Smithtown Pediatrics, and I'm going to take the KYO Plan Matter, and we'll navigate. So once the files are returned, we can see from the bottom right that we have 166 files. Now that's a lot of files to navigate up and down looking for something. So we want a quicker way to do that. What we can do is use this Filters tab. And I'm just going to go through a few of these things. You'll learn more if you join our Academy course. We'll go into this in greater detail. But basically we can do it by type of file. So if I'm looking for a spreadsheet, there are two extensions that are spreadsheets. And we're down to 11 files, and we'll see that from the bottom right down here. We can see there's one of 11 files. It's a lot quicker to look through that list than to look through the full list. This uncheck all button puts us back to the start. If I'm looking for a brief, you can just click on brief, and right away I've got one file back. Much easier than scrolling up and down through a lot of files. If I know the author, I can also pick the author. So if it's something by A. Barreto, I just click A. Barreto, and again, I'm down to one file. But no matter what you pick here, it's definitely going to get you a much smaller list, so you're not going to be filtering up and down on the right-hand side. So we highly recommend that you use this method of filters. And as I said, we describe this much deeper in our Academy course, but for now, this should be something that you can use immediately.